Tired of your BNB being stuck on an exchange? Let's break down how to send it securely to your Coinbase wallet in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the platform where your BNB is currently stored. Find the withdrawal section and select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now, open your Coinbase Wallet app, tap on the Receive button, then select BNB. This will display your unique Coinbase Wallet BNB address. Make sure you tap the copy icon to accurately copy the address to your clipboard. Return to the withdrawal page on your sending platform. Paste the Coinbase Wallet address you just copied into the recipient address field. Pay very close attention to network selection. Select the Ethereum or ERC20 network. Selecting the wrong network can result in permanent loss of your funds. Double-check everything, verify the address, the network, and the amount you're sending. Once you're absolutely sure all details are correct, confirm the withdrawal. The transfer time depends on network congestion, but usually, it's pretty quick. Keep an eye on your Coinbase wallet, and soon enough, you'll see your BNB balance update, indicating a successful transfer. And that's it. You've successfully transferred BNB to your Coinbase wallet.